we can finally have some quality girl time. See a movie, go to the club,
Sharpen our bayonets, oil our bayonets, polish our bayonets.
Do you have a ribbon, Fritz?
No, but I can help you look for one. I'm gonna bring my binoculars to Hilltop Park. Sorry, Lily. I don't see any ribbon.
Okay. That's okay, Kaz. I'm bringing this fishing net to catch tadpoles.
That sounds like fun. I wish I had a net.
Here, Doris. Now you and Nora can fish together.
Great, thanks, Lily.
You're welcome. Do you have any extra ribbon, Charles?
Sure.
Thanks.
I'm going to bring my new kite to Hilltop Park, Lily. What are you going to bring?
A blanket to sit on and an extra snack. You need to bring more than that for a field trip. You need bug spray and sunscreen and a flashlight, just in case.
Our team's gonna be weakened by 3, and Eggman's still out there. We have to be prepared.
I don't have enough fingers to remember all that. Don't worry, Lily. I'll bring enough for everyone. You always know what to do, Grace. You can sit next to me on the bus if you like. Thanks, Grace. Charles is bringing his kite, and Timothy's bringing his bug jar, and best of all, I get to be Grace's special friend and sit next to her on the bus. Oh, that's so cool. You have a busy day tomorrow. Let's remember everything you need. Don't worry, Mama, we won't forget. We won't. Yes, Lily?
Did I tell you I'm going to be Grace's special friend?
Yes, dear. Night-night. Grace knows all about going to the park. Bug spray check. Flashlight check. Raincoat, blanket, and an extra snack. Check, check, and double check.
You've certainly thought of everything, Grace.
Thanks, Mom.
Bedtime. You have a busy day tomorrow.
I know. Good night, Mom.
Good night, Grace.
Goodbye, machines. On, off, on, off. Bye, house.
They'll be here when we return. Okay, off to nature we go!